The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
So before phones, before watches, before even those ticking wall clocks, how did people tell time?
They just guessed?
Nope, they used the sun. And today we're making a sundial, just like people did thousands of years ago.
Which means if you forget your phone, you can still know what time it is as long as it's sunny.
To get started, you're going to want to grab pale construction paper, a 9 to 12-inch paper plate, stiff cardboard, a little bit bigger than your paper plate, a large bowl for tracing, pencils or crayons, scissors, a pencil or straight stick, this is your gnomon, aka your shadow maker, mounting putty or soft clay, 4 small stones or clear tape, a dark marker, and optionally a compass and ruler.
After you've got your supplies together, put your paper on the cardboard, flip the bowl upside down, trace a big circle, cut it out.
Poke a small hole in the center of your circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, just eyeball it or use a ruler. The hole should be just big enough for your pencil or stick to fit through.
On the cardboard, put a small ball of clay or putty right in the center. Push the eraser end of your pencil straight into it so it stands up. Test it. If it wobbles, press the clay tighter.
Slide your paper circle down the pencil until it rests on the cardboard. Press the paper flat against the clay so it stays put. If your paper has marks, keep the blank side facing up.
Now, pick a flat, sunny spot outside. Somewhere it'll stay sunny for most of the day and won't get knocked over by people, pets, or your little brother.
Use stones or tape to keep the base from moving. If it shifts, your times will be off.
Check the current time, then set an alarm for just before the next hour.
When the alarm goes off, head outside with your marker. See where the shadow hits the edge of the circle? Put a short line there and write the hour.
Repeat this every hour until you run out of sun. You'll see the shadow move in an arc, kind of like the hand of a clock, just slower.
If it's not going to rain, leave your sundial in place overnight. The next day, you can actually use it to tell time. No phone needed.
Here's a quick pro tip. At noon, the shadow should point north.
Here's the science. Earth is constantly spinning, so the sun's position in the sky changes all day long.
That makes the shadow from your gnomon slowly move around your dial, marking the hours without a single battery or charging cable.
So yeah, it's not down to the second like a digital watch, but it's a cool way to see how the Earth moves.
And honestly, there's something pretty awesome about telling time with just a stick, some paper, and the sun.
Want more hands-on builds and experiments like this? Scan the QR or visit go.osu.edu/themoreyougrow to get connected with the Extension office where you live.
The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.